Hello, and welcome to the magazine button removal and installation guide for the VK320 grip module. To start, you will need a paperclip or similar sized tool. To remove the magazine button, push it until it is fully extended. When extended, notice the hole that is on the back of the magazine release. Insert tool into the hole located in the back of the magazine release and gently pry upwards, separating the two pieces of the magazine release. Then, use a flathead screwdriver to wedge between the magazine catch and the magazine catch stop, and then remove the paperclip or other tool. The three parts of the magazine catch should fall out of the grip module at this point. After disassembly, you should have three parts: magazine catch spring, and magazine catch stop. Insert the magazine catch spring into the recess inside the magazine catch and guide it into the grip module. Note, you should feel spring tension when pushing on the magazine catch when you properly do this step. Finally, insert the magazine catch stop on the other side of the magazine catch, locking it into place. Press on the magazine release catch to make sure the magazine catch stop has properly been installed. You have now installed the magazine release button onto your new VK320 grip module. Thank you, have a great day.